Well, I think this was a very fruitful deliberation. We said what we have to say. I think really nothing to hide. Whatever issues that we have raised so far from NEHU, including the issues that were raised with students, we have impressed upon the team that whatever wrongdoings that he has conducted or he has done in this university since the day he came, whether it is in the matter of recruitment, whether it's a matter of denying somebody their rights to become deans, everything that has led to this moment where we are all demanding his removal, I think we have highlighted, and I think the committee has been made exceptionally clear that irrespective of the outcome of the inquiry, his returning here is untenable, is unacceptable to us, not only because of the fact that, Nehuta, Nihunsa or Nehusu have declared him persona non grata, even the Molai Town Darbar, which is a traditional body under the 6th schedule, have also declared him a persona non grata, which means he can't step foot in the Greater Mola area. So these also we have impressed upon the team, which means overall when we look at, I think we are satisfied that we could put across whatever we wanted to say, which highlights his complete incompetence, the lack of interest in the affairs of NEHU, and how he has taken our university to a drain, or rather to a deep gorge, from where coming out will be very, very difficult. Maybe it may take another 10 years or so. But then I think now it is left to the inquiry committee how they are going to prepare the report. But we had made it categorically clear that come what may, his returning is untenable to NEHU fraternity and the state of Meghalaya as a whole. See, this is how the committee have listened to us. It will be substantiated by the documents which university will provide, and they will write a recommendation based on whatever they have seen, what they have read, what they have heard. And I think they will, whatever they make, it will go to the ministry, then probably it will go to the president, and finally a call will be made. But important thing for us is that we have said everything that shows that this person doesn't belong here. He has no attachment to NEHU, no attachment to Meghalaya, no attachment to the northeastern region, and hence he cannot be here come what may.